What should be the role of Muslim women in spreading Islam? Behaving as Muslim women. Just by putting on that beautiful identity. By the way, the reason that our women, you see, have you ever attended a lecture called Role of Christian Women in Society? Rarely. They talk about role of Muslim women. You know why? Because we accepted this as stereotype. Why? Because whether we like it or not, our sisters are the most visible identity of Islam, and we are proud of it. The most visible identity. So the best way to do da'wah as sisters is, you see, I read recently in an Islamic magazine coming from Saudi Arabia that there was one Turkish sister in Germany. In Germany, there's a big Turkish community in Germany. One Muslim sister was able to get her whole neighborhood to accept Islam because of her behavior. She didn't go and give lectures, and it was reported. The whole neighborhood accepted Islam because of her behavior. So alhamdulillah, if you have friends, if you have neighbors, just, you see, whenever you have Eid, take a little bit of sweets, knock at their door and say, it is our Eid, I would like to give you something. You know, be friends with them. Some of them may give you dirty looks, but smile in their face. You see, things like that. I cannot really go in detail because I was told 5 minutes, it's already 5, so I will try to read quickly.